Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help how to start preparing for TOEFL. Begin by taking a timed practice test to reveal your reading, listening, speaking, and writing gaps, then set a reachable score goal and deadline. Build a study plan that focuses on weakest skills 3 to 5 times per week, and schedule regular full-length practice tests to track progress and adjust your plan as needed. Create a balanced study plan that mixes skill practice and test simulations, and aim for consistency over intensity. Start each week by scheduling specific sessions for reading, listening, speaking, and writing, then add one full practice test every 1 to 2 weeks. Prioritize targeted drills on weak areas, review mistakes carefully, and gradually increase timed practice to build stamina and familiarity with test pacing and question types. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like for more helpful study tips. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes cleanup effortless so you can focus on studying with less distraction. Voice control and smart mapping keep your space ready for focused sessions. It's a small upgrade that saves time between study blocks. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on practical strategies that translate to test day success, like effective note-taking during listening and structuring speaking responses with clear templates. Record your speaking to spot repetition or timing issues, and write essays under strict time limits to build speed. Review sample high-scoring answers to emulate structure and vocabulary, and use error logs to turn weaknesses into targeted practice that yields steady score improvement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.